Hey guys, come do a house call with me. So I realized I don't really post much of my work, but I promise I'm learning this editing thing, videos and whatnot, and I promise I'll get better, hey? So here my client wanted something simple because her dress is very, very sparkly, and so we just went for like warm shades and a little bit of smokiness on the eyes. And yeah, that's just a simple installation also. And by the way guys, I'm so sorry I couldn't record the whole session, so I only realized at the end that my phone is switched off. So yeah, that's the bit that I have, but enjoy. And that's the finished look guys. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.